What's up, guys? Welcome to next episode. We still got Austin here. We're gonna be installing the rest of the interior on this car today. It's Saturday in 2 weeks exactly. We're gonna be drifting this thing, but it's all the way down in Austin, Texas. So we have to be on a trailer Thursday night, and we have to be down there on Friday. But anyway, we got the hydro installed and everything like that. We're working on the angle kit. We got that extra bolt that broke off. We're gonna be installing the interior today. The first little challenge we got. We had to cut off this little tube for the AC and heat. It goes over here for the roll cage because it wouldn't fit anymore. If you guys are curious, Rotella T6 oil caps, they work perfect to cover that up. So we're gonna clean that up a little bit. Install the seats, install the carpet, install the radio, install the dash, install the navigation, and yeah, hopefully we have a little bit of fun with it today. This is our genius idea to block off the AC plates. But we're using a Harbor Freight cock gun. We're like 40 pumps, I'm like halfway up.
Yeah, man, that's... You should have just hose clamped it.
Alright guys, it's been like 5 minutes. I don't know why this is. I'm gonna put it on your ranch, bro.
Well, fine.
You don't fuck with the ranch?
I like ranch. I don't know why it came with it.
With pizza, bro.
I've never had that combo.
You've never had ranch and pizza?
Mm-mm.
Dude, you're missing out on life. That's like saying you haven't had hot wings and ranch.
I've had that.
Okay.
That was good.
What about pizza and garlic sauce?
That's what I'm doing right now. It's the best combo ever.
Bro, that actually
That's
looks
garlic
kind of
butter, but
yeah, that looks kind of nasty.
thanks, man.
You gotta have the garlic sauce where it's all like super greasy and like makes you feel like you're having a heart attack like every bite.
Well, I thought that's what they gave you, but this is just butter.
Bro,
Grease
this
and butter.
sucks.
We'll be back in 5.
6.5 hours later.
Oh, that did absolutely nothing.
1 eternity later.
Filling her up.
All right, that's gonna be perfect.
Oh, we got Chef Anthony over here. Cooking up some bottle cap goodies.
Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's never coming off. Just like that, guys, that's how you plug your AC on a 2012 Chevrolet Corvette if you're ever curious. Yep. Boom. The other side. We got it done in like 2 minutes. We got the technique down. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Those things are never coming off. All right, so we're starting on the dash install now. We noticed this LCD screen's really dirty, so we're gonna use the best glass cleaner known to man.
Dude, that is literally the best glass cleaner known to man.
His company, his family makes this glass cleaner, but it actually works really good. I'll drop a link if you guys want to get some.
That looks good, man.
Look at that. I even did it with a greasy microfiber rag. Hey Austin, what are we gonna do with the silver Sharpie?
Touch up your crappy cage paint.
Yeah, we're like completely messing up this cage paint, especially on the passenger side. But we're installing the HVAC back in here, because I mean that's just like the necessities of a drift car. So we gotta add these bolts. We have to add the security system. The speakers, of course, have to go back in this thing. but we're making pretty good progress. Wouldn't you say so?
Oh yeah.
What up, Brandon? Brandon's holding down the shop since we're open. You gonna sell a car today, Brandon?
I hope so.
He's working on selling our Viper right now. And I told him if he sells the Viper today, that I'm buying a salvage 2020 Supra. If you guys are curious why Austin's getting a C6 Corvette, he just told me it's only because their speedometers go to 200 miles an hour. So
Gotta flex on the people.
oh, I'm super excited for that. Here's this 370Z we're working on too. We bought it as a hail car, but got some fresh little carbon fiber going on. We're gonna have some videos of this thing. I guess I gotta paint that. It's gonna be a fun car. Quick pro tip for you guys. Whenever you're building race cars and you start to, take everything apart, reinstall it, make sure you do it like well over like a month apart and you take 0 pictures, you label no wires, and you just kind of throw everything together because it makes everything take like 3 times as long as it should. So that's what we're dealing with right now. I mean, we figure as long as it at least starts up, we'll be fine. As long as we're drifting, but there's a couple plugs like we have no idea what they go to. All we have to do now is install pretty much coilovers, angle kit, get this thing aligned, throw the front end back together. I know it looks like a lot of work, it is a lot of work, but we're gonna be drifting in 2 weeks. We are going to be drifting in Texas in 2 weeks.
We think.
We are going to be drifting in Texas in 2 weeks. She's coming together. Starting to tear up a little bit. This is gonna be so fancy. Alright, so if you guys buy Grand Sport, you gotta take off the selective ride little sport package thing because it hits your PBM hydro.
But you wouldn't have this problem if you didn't buy such a baller car.
No, I'm gonna buy a base model next time.
Next week.
Next week, you're buying a base model. Oh, we forgot to plug that thing in. We forgot to plug in the cigarette lighter so that we can charge our phone if for whatever reason the USB port's taken. I feel like I'm gonna have to trim that a little bit.
Probably. Well, actually.
In fact, I almost feel like we should have flipped that around. We don't need to be talking about what we just did. We lost a washer.
Not an important one.
It was like somewhere in between this bearing. This thing was like very difficult to swap around. So, highly advise you guys to put it on this side before installing it in the car.
I think we made it difficult.
Learn from our mistakes. We're getting there. I can't feel my knees or my legs, but we're getting there. Wow. That's how we get out.
How you feeling about your drift car now?
We'll see. We'll see here in about 11 days how I'm feeling about it and if it's a drift car yet.
Corvettes are comfy.
What are we doing over here?
Just plugging some stuff in.
I don't know, but what are we plugging in over here?
Some USBs. Because you gotta have it in a drift car.
You gotta be charging your phone. We have most of the interior back in here.
We're in.
Oh yeah, and you always want to install this piece before this piece, but we figured out a way to do it afterwards.
What's up, buddy?
Dan Moore, what's going on?
Not much, friend. Just having a nice, quiet Saturday night at home.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, dude.
That sounds like fun. Hey, you're gonna be so happy.
What's up?
You're just gonna be really happy. I'm putting this carpet in back like you requested.
Yay. I am happy.
Yeah, it's our weekly shop party. You didn't show up. Are you too cool? Are you too cool for us this week?
Whatever. Get out of here.
It's me, Austin, Brandon, and Colton. You just decided not to show up.
No Colton's out there too?
Yeah. And you didn't show up?
Dude, I can't help it.
We gotta clean it up a little bit. We're gonna drift stitch it probably. Not bad for a like 1, 2, 3 idiots and a couple pairs of scissors. Whoa. Looks pretty good. So we just realized.
Yeah, I'm in. You in?
The T-top holder
Oh,
still
that's
works.
solid, yeah.
Oh, with the cage. Look at that.
That's golden.
Oh. Oh, that
Dude.
looks dope. Oh, that's sick.
Oh my god.
I'm so excited to install AC on this thing. What? What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're gonna be doing a couple videos on wrapping all that up, finishing up the car, installing the seats, all that fun stuff. We've got some wheels coming in. So let me know what you guys would like to see more of. I'm gonna be doing a couple flip cars and stuff like that as well. If you guys like that stuff, if you guys like the Corvette, let me know. We'll do some videos. Deuces.